Mercedes-Benz Style Edition Garia Golf Car Review. Join Mercedes-Benz at the 145th Open Championship of Golf at Royal Troon, which was the perfect setting for the world premiere of the Mercedes-Benz Style Edition Garia Golf Car. Tradition meets modern. The world's oldest golf championship has evolved just like golf itself into a premium sport with a modern face, while golf carts have remained almost unchanged for decades. Mercedes-Benz Style, the lifestyle design division responsible for collaborative projects like the Aero 460, Gran Turismo yacht, a luxury plane cabin, and the interior design of Airbus Helicopter 145, came up with its idea of a better golf cart. In 2013, Mercedes-Benz showed the world what a golf cart of the future might look like with a Vision golf cart, which was a result of an ideas competition of golf and automobile enthusiasts from around the globe. The Mercedes-Benz Style Edition Garia golf car immediately appears distinctly different from conventional golf carts. While restrained to measurement specifications, the Mercedes golf car gives a sporty and very stylish impression. The carbon fiber roof with LED applications on the inside, the 14 alloy wheels with carbon fiber deflectors, as well as a spoiler that serves as a golf bag holder, and positions two bags at an angle to allow for easy club access, altogether form a well-balanced look at the vehicle. To round it off, there is even a carbon fiber rear diffuser for extra flair. The Mercedes-Benz golf car also has all the equipment needed to drive on the road, including turn signals, and LED headlights, and taillights. On-road use with the mentioned equipment would be possible in the USA, and is desirable for the rest of the world. It measures 235 by 120 by 172 centimeters, LXWXH, and has a turning radius of 5.2 meters. The golf car is said to drive smoothly both on the golf course and on roads due to its double wishbone suspension, an experience we would like to make in the near future. With the user interface presented in the Mercedes-Benz golf car, a big step into present-day automotive design is made. An integrated onboard touchpad with a screen diagonal of 10.1 inches, and a high resolution of 2560 by 1600 pixels shows graphically enhanced vehicle information in the smaller, upper area, for example the remaining range, vehicle speed, current power consumption, or parking brake status. Many functions can be controlled at the touch of a finger, for example driving mode, sport, or eco, the headlamps, windscreen heater, wipers, and many more. On the large screen area beneath this, the occupants can display the layout of the golf course, and their current position, or if desired activate an electronic scorecard. The sophisticated graphic design is derived from the latest Mercedes-Benz passenger cars, a H and S free system with Bluetooth registered connection, and hi-fi speakers integrated into the rear roof frame strut ensure that also on the fairway, the occupants are connected, and able to listen to music from their smartphone. Those who wish to can take a look at a weather app, or order refreshments for delivery to the green. There are also plans to make the contents of a personal smartphone transferable to the touchscreen of the golf car, for example for internet access. In terms of power, the Mercedes golf car relies on a motor with up to 3 kilowatts of regular output, and short bursts up to 11 kilowatts with a governed top speed coming in at 30 kilometers per hour. The lithium-ion battery provides up to 80 kilometers of range, and charges in about 6 hours. The car weighs 440 kilograms, and has a payload of 460 kilograms. Mercedes-Benz Style has brought to life a golf cart that truly distinguishes itself from any competitor, and seems prepared for success on and off the world's golf courses. For now there are 2 working examples that are being shown to the public at different locations, right now at the Open Championship, at the end of September at the Monaco Yacht Show, and the Mercedes Trophy early October this year. If the reaction to the Mercedes-Benz Style Edition Garia golf car is positive, the executives at Mercedes-Benz will rely on a largely digital retail model. Director of Business Innovation Daimler AG Suzanne Hahn, the vehicle can be experienced absolutely virtually. This means that wherever customers are, in a dealership or on a golf course, they can look at the vehicle on a tablet, and order it with 3 clicks. On water, on land, and in the air. Hopefully soon vehicles with Mercedes-Benz design will also be seen on golf courses throughout the world.
(2017) Bentley Bentayga Diesel Review. Bentley's first diesel. With the new Bentley Bentayga Diesel, the British luxury marque offers a diesel engine in its range for the first time in its near 100-year history. We had a chance to experience this new dimension firsthand, and in Spain. Diesel recently gained a pretty bad image in the United States, but in other markets buyers don't really seem to care, and still see the upside of driving a diesel: tremendous torque, extended range, and great fuel economy. Bentley's CEO, Mr. Wolfgang Derheimer, couldn't agree more. With the technology available to us now, the 4.0-liter V8 diesel engine is perfectly suitable for Bentley. On paper, the triple-charged V8 delivers mouth-watering performance, 435 horsepower, and 900 Nm of torque, available from as low as 1,000 revolutions per minute. Enough to make the 2.4-ton Bentayga sprint from 0-100 km/h in 4.7 seconds, and continue to an unrestricted top speed of 270 km/h, making it the fastest luxury diesel SUV in the world. At the same time, it is also the most exclusive and expensive diesel SUV in the world, with a price tag starting at €174,400 including tax in Germany. On the outside, the new diesel distinguishes itself from its W12 powered brother by a black mesh in the grille, a subtle V8 diesel badge on the front doors, and 2 double tailpipes in the specific shape that hints at a V8 under the bonnet. The least subtle change between the W12 and the V8 diesel is the price. The diesel is more than €30,000 cheaper than the W12 powered Bentayga, which is likely to attract new customers to the Bentley BR, and inside, the Bentayga diesel is very much like the W12 variant of the Bentayga. The finest leather and wood is used to create a luxurious ambience for 4 occupants. The 2 front and rear seats are near identical in shape and size, and offer a lot of pleasant features, including 5 different massage programs, seat cooling as well as heating. The ride programs are adapted to the engine's characteristics, and the driver can choose between 8 dedicated drive modes by twisting a knob in the center console, ranging from sport, auto, comfort, and custom to wet, dirt road, off-road, and desert. Each setting changes the driving dynamics of the car to the desired circumstances. The air suspension uses 4 different levels, and raises or lowers the Bentayga by up to 100 mm. The Bentayga also uses a 48-volt electronic system, which allows Bentley to incorporate some clever tech, including an electric compressor which independently fires up the first of 2 turbochargers, reducing the turbo lag to near 0. Thanks to this, the turbo delivers its maximum boost a full second quicker than a car without 48 volts, and the electric compressor, another interesting feature on the Bentga enabled by the 48-volt system, is the electric anti-roll bar, which reduces body roll, and improves the cornering capabilities of this massive luxury SUV. Using a diesel engine for the first time, Bentley wanted to make sure the engine characteristics would match that of other engines in the range. Two key things here were the effortless power delivery, and an understated sound profile. When you get inside, and fire up the engine, it is very muffled, and you don't hear much from the 4.0-liter V8 lying under the giant front bonnet. Even when you switch through the modes, and push the car, the engine sound never becomes dominant, which is typical for most Bentleys. The absence of disturbing noises from the outside world make the Bentga diesel a very pleasant travel companion. The extended range of up to 1,000 kilometers which the diesel engine offers enhances this quality further. Off the line, it does not feel as quick as other SUVs like my own SQ5, which is mainly due to the significant weight, but once it gets going it feels unstoppable. The Bentga diesel truly excels on the highway, where it will lead up mile after mile, providing its occupants with all the comforts, entertainment, and assistance systems they can wish for in this day and age. The Bentley Bentga diesel will be offered in Europe, Turkey, Australia, and South Africa. Dealers are taking orders now, with the first customer deliveries only weeks away. Bentley will deliver 5,000 Bentgas this year out of a total production of 11,000 vehicles. This clearly shows the significance of the Bentga for Bentley. With one more engine variant in the pipeline, and a two-door derivative of the Bentga on the drawing board, Mr. Derheimer hopes to sell 4,000 Bentgas per annum on average throughout its life cycle. Thanks for watching and listening. Please like, subscribe, share and comment.